Welcome to our tutorial. We will cover signing up for Protonmail on most desktop or laptop computers. Start by opening the web browser of your choice. Enter protonmail.com into the address bar of your browser and then press the Enter or Return key to load website. Find the big button that says Sign Up. It should be on the upper right hand of the page. Click on it. Most users only need a free account. To select free plan, you first have to expand the drop-down menu marked Free. Then click on the button marked Select Free Plan. Here you enter your new Protonmail address and password. I suggest not using a password you've already used. Think of 3 or more words that you can easily remember. For example, cornflower, potato, hamster. If you want to use numbers or symbols, feel free, but make sure to remember them, as if you want this email to be as secure and anonymous as possible, you should leave the recovery email address blank. Click Create Account. It is not advised to save this information anywhere on your PC or phone. I recommend not saving your username or password anywhere accessible by other people. Do not stay logged in, and do not enable notifications unless you are the only person with access to your computer. Complete the real human verification and close any notifications or password reminders that come up. Now you can use Protonmail like normal webmail between you and other users. Don't mail insecure email addresses, and don't widely publicize your new name. Avoid using the protonmail.com ending where possible to avoid bots capturing your address. Use common sense, and be safe.